हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम सब पढ़ेंगे एसे ऑन नेचर। नेचर इज द मोस्ट प्रीसियस एंड ब्यूटीफुल गिफ्ट given to us by God. It includes everything around us: trees, flowers, rivers, mountains, air, water, sunlight, birds, animals, and even teeny insects. Nature is not only beautiful but also essential for our survival. It provides us with the air we breathe, the food we eat, the water we drink, and the shelter we live in. The beauty of nature is beyond words. Green forest, blooming flowers, chirping birds, flowing rivers, and clear blue skies all create a peaceful and soothing environment. Each session brings its own charm. Spring brings blooming flowers, summer gives us warmth and sunshine, monsoon refreshes us with rain, and winter blankets the world in snow. The calmness of early morning, the sound of rustling leaves, and the smell of wet earth after rain fill our hearts with joy and peace. Unfortunately, modern human activities have been harming nature, cutting down trees, polluting rivers, overusing plastic, and releasing harmful gases into the air are damaging our environment. These actions have led to global warming, climate change, and natural disasters. If we do not take care of nature, our own survival will be at risk. It is our responsibility to protect and preserve nature. We must plant more trees, reduce pollution, save water, and use eco-friendly products. Even small steps like recycling waste, avoiding plastic, and using public transport can make a big difference. In conclusion, nature is life. It gives us everything we need and ask for nothing in return. We must love and respect nature and live in harmony with it. Protecting nature is not just a duty, it is a necessity for a healthy and happy life. तो ये है ऐसे ऑन नेचर इन इंग्लिश। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।